have one last question from our partners from Paucas Sports. Go ahead and take the mic.
My name is Pao from Paucas Sports. Senator Manny, first of all, congratulations. This is such a big event and a blessing for boxing fans. True boxing fans dito sa Pilipinas, this is a great fight card. It is rarely happening that we have big events like this in the Philippines. What do you think should we do to elevate further and to have more Trilla in Manila kinds of boxing event? Kasi usually, blow by blow lang kayo talaga yung may mga pinakamagagandang matchups. Ano ba yung pwede pa natin gawin para mas ma-elevate pa yung boxing dito sa Pilipinas?
Kailangan siguro natin mga ng suporta ng ating mga private sectors, also sa ating gobyerno. And kailangan maraming magpo-promote kahit pa paano. And I'm sure hindi naman na hindi alam ng mga Pilipino yung boxing. So ang mga Pilipino very interested to watch a promotion, a fight like this coming October 29, mga ganun. So nung araw kasi ako nag-start sa Blow by Blow, lumalaban ako dyan sa Makati, Mandaluyong, Muntinlupa, kahit saan lang. So, batang-bata pa ako nun, blondie pa ang buhok ko. And I was 16 years old back then. Lumalaban ako kahit saan. So, maraming nagpo-promote. At least na-develop yung, nag-i-improve yung, yung skills ko. Yung ang ibig ko sabihin ay, mahirap kasi na mag-practice ka, di ba, sa larong chess. Hindi naman pwede ikaw lang. Kailangan may kalaban ka palagi para ma-improve, ma-develop yung talent mo.
Very last question, sir. Kanina may nag-tease na kay Rolly Romero, you're still active, and para sa Trilla in Manila, would you ever consider kung ikaw ay active pa na lumaban sa Araneta Coliseum for a real big Trilla in Manila na hinahanap ng isang kasama natin dito? Pwede kaya ba? Manny Pacquiao in Araneta Coliseum?
Possible naman kasi like you said na active pa naman ako. So kung may opportunity na lumaban ako, why not? I mean, dito sa Araneta Coliseum. Pero hanapan natin, no? Hindi naman yan.
Lloyd, where's Manny?
Hindi na tayo dito yun.
Thank you very much.
Baka hindi pa nakaakyat sa rin, nakatog ng tuhod nun.
Okay, thank you to our friends in the media for all of the questions. At this point, may we request you guys to turn your attention to the TV for a quick AVP.